Thursday is Black Red Squad Shadow here today.
I'm Evan Gaming Amaya.
Doing Evan Gaming Amaya, and we're in school, and I'm scared because it's happening a flood, and I'm scared that it's gonna come inside the school, and we don't have no internet, nothing like Wi-Fi. But when we get Wi-Fi. I'm gonna post this video.
So guys, please like and subscribe to his channel and my channel.
100 likes for good luck.
200 million likes.
For good luck, because let's be honest, I want to survive. Just like it up 100 likes and we will live. And I hope you guys are safe because this is happening in Houston.
Texas and Baytown there in Twitter I saw I'm level 86. And guys, follow me on Instagram, Evan Gaming Amaya, that same thing.
Follow him. So yeah guys, I'm posting this video.
Guys, please like it and subscribe to his channel and my channel too.
So bye guys.